welcome to another video. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and giving me a like button because it supports me a lot and I'm always happy to see that. Thanks a lot. So in this video I will be teaching you, we will be learning together how you can withdraw from your BingX app to any external wallet. But in this video we will just be focusing on the Binance. We will send it from BingX to Binance, but it is the same process for other crypto companies and crypto wallets also. To do that, all you have to do, if you haven't created an account, I have a link in the description where you can create your account and you will be rewarded a minimum of 10 USDT for joining. So since it is free, I don't think you will be using it to trade. I don't think so, because their free stuff are just for advertisement. So I won't. That's why I don't like telling people lies. So bro, to do this, all we have to do is to go to withdraw from BingX. All you have to do is to go to the asset tab. After going to the asset tab, you can find out that we have fund account, we have future accounts, copy trading, and so on. So the fund account is where we can withdraw our funds at any time. But the future account, sometimes your funds will be in business. So sometimes your funds will be in business. You can't withdraw them. So I will be withdrawing from the funds account. So withdraw. Sometimes you can at the same time convert from your, here is from BTC. You can at the same time transfer. Yes, it's transfer. I'm looking from your fund account to the perpetual future trading, and I want to transfer from the future trading account to the fund account. So you can transfer there before you withdraw, no problem. Sometimes they even allow you to withdraw if the funds is available and it's not in business. So yeah, all we have to do is to click on withdraw, and now I will choose a network. So the network we choose will also carry the minimum withdrawal. So every network here with the minimum of withdrawal, like this Polygon now, when we go down we can see that the minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT for the Polygon. So when we take Tron TR20, we see that the minimum withdrawal is 8 USDT. So when we take Solana, you can see that the minimum withdrawal is 1.5, and the trading fee is very high, 1.5 USDT to send to. It's very high. When we go to Polygon, I'm just looking for a low. I want to send a value of 3 USDT, so I'm looking for a low withdrawal network. So all I have to do now is to check another Arbitrum one. I can see that it is 1 USDT. The Arbitrum one is 1 USDT. Optimism is 1.1. So I would like to go for the Arbitrum one and check the withdrawal. The minimum where I want USDT, so I would like to go for the Arbitrum one. So that's how it is done. Now I will just quickly go to my Binance app or Binance website. So when we go to the Binance website, if you don't have an account, you can just create one. So that's how it is done. Just creating an account there is very simple. Just go to the create an account. You can even use your Gmail to create an account as fast as possible. Here is the BingX app. Here is the Binance app. Please, I'm sorry. Here's the Binance app. All you have to do is to go to portfolio, and in the portfolio tab we just click on deposit, because we are withdrawing from somewhere. Here we'll be doing deposit. So they have a fiat tab and a crypto tab, and we will be looking in the crypto tab for USDT. As you can see, that's it. The same crypto that we send, that we will also be receiving. So guys, please don't make mistake, unless you lose your money. So I would like to go and look for the network I'm using and make sure I'm sending from the same network. Now I want to send from I'm sorry, my RAM is not good. I want to use Optimism. So I was using Optimism before. No, I don't think it's Optimism. I was using Arbitrum 1, yes, which has 1 USDT withdrawal. So all I have to do is just come here and Arbitrum 1, look for Arbitrum 1. Here is it. I just copy the address. They also allow us to scan, but I don't want to scan. Just copy it easily. Go back to my Bing X app and just paste the address. And I want to withdraw all my phone. I just click on all, and after that, what I will have to do is to just click on withdraw. Now I can see some important tips. Once the withdrawal is complete, platform cannot retrieve your asset. Please read carefully and confirm. Understand. So if you withdraw asset and to untrusted proof, unlikely the asset will not be able to withdraw. So you can read it by yourself. Because of the video, I won't read it like that. So I just click on OK. So here is an information of Arbitrum 1. I have to go and check OX FAC is the last word. Plus FAC, I can see 2 FAC, which means that I did the right thing. Okay, I just go Arbitrum 1, check those things very well. Network Arbitrum 1. So withdraw TY trading from YUSDT, just click on confirm. So here we want to confirm. They tell us to enter password. What type of password is this? I don't know what the fund password is again. So I will have to go and click on forget password and so on and so forth. So I don't know what the fund password is anymore. So that's how, after confirming all this, your withdrawal will be sent successfully, and that's how it is. So I would like to leave the video here. You can confirm by yourself. When you to confirm, you just click on your verification. Just click on it, and it is sent. You go and verify your Gmail account, SMS verification, and it is sent. You verify with your phone number, and that's how it is done. So guys, please give me a like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.